Wasn't meant to be cheesy, but it happened. Yeah, here we go, got it.
Rolling.
Thanks. What's the difference between Dyson Airwrap brushes? It's a good question because we have a few different brushes. So we have the smoothing brushes at the back. The one with the bristles is best if you have finer hair because this will give you more tension and make smoothing easier. And if you have really thick hair or curly, coily hair, the firm one that has no ball bristles on is great because it doesn't tangle, but it really does a good job of smoothing and stretching the hair out. We also have the volumizing brushes that do exactly what they say. They give you lots of volume, they can shape the hair really well, and we have a larger one for longer hair and a medium one for shorter hair and fringes. There we go, got it up. Can I use a Dyson Airwrap on short hair? Absolutely yes. So we have smaller versions of the smoothing brushes here. We have a smaller version of the volumizing brush. And then our original size sparrows are perfect for curling shorter hair anywhere from bob length and up. Okay, is the Dyson Airwrap more for special occasion styling? So not at all. Obviously it's fantastic to be able to create those gorgeous salon looks if you are going somewhere special, but you can really easily do quick 5-minute styles first thing in the morning using the brushes or the barrels. I would recommend tie your hair into a ponytail. You can style the front pieces with the barrels just to give a little bit of a soft curl and then do a couple of sections through the ponytail. It takes 5 minutes and it looks like a really well put together look. Can I use my Dyson Airwrap on completely dry hair? I get asked this quite a lot. You can, there's absolutely no reason that you can't. Your style's just not gonna last as long. The science of it all works much better when the bonds are broken by water and then dried into place. So if you do it on dry hair, it will look exactly the same, but might not last you very long. So a popular one here, how wet does my hair need to be to use my Dyson Airwrap? I'd say whenever you're using barrels, you definitely need the hair to be 80% dry. If you're using the brushes, if you're transforming from completely curly to straight or straight to having all this volume, then having the hair as wet as possible is definitely going to be better. But a little tip, you can actually remove some of the moisture using your Quanta smoothing dryer, and this will speed up the styling process.
Cool, happy? Yeah.
And if you don't need me, I'm going to get some lunch.
Yeah.